The best things in life are truly free. Look at this. It was a 3-hour hike here. Definitely not for the beginning hiker, but I did see a lot of kids coming down and someone carrying a baby backpack. It is gorgeous here. Look at this. Mother Nature is so rich with beauty. We are so blessed. Look at this. All the green. It's gorgeous. I'm going in.